Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and these two cases that I have right here in front of me by a company called YouMaker. Now, as you see, I got one here in purple and one in black. Now, they are both full body cases with a built-in screen protector. They are shockproof and very, very heavy duty. So you already know I'm going to have to do some drop tests using these cases once we are finished taking a look at them. So the purple one to the left also comes in three other colors. It comes in blue, black, and rose gold as well. And you can pick it up for around 15 bucks on Amazon. And the black one also comes in two other colors, coming in blue and purple, and cost around 19 bucks on Amazon as well. And at the end of this video, if you guys find yourself interested in these cases, I will go ahead and post the links for these cases down in the description below. Okay, so first let's take a look at my favorite out of the two, which is this black one, which I think will just go better with my phone aside from the purple one. Maybe if you had the purple Note 9, it would go better with this case, but for me, I would definitely pick this black one. Now, in the back, it is going to be a hard plastic. You can see there, it feels very durable. On the sides, you got a nice thick rubber going all around the sides. It covers the power button, also covers the volume rockers and the Bixby button. So we're gonna put the phone in here in a bit, but first let's take a look at the rest of it. At the top here, you got the cutout for the microphone, and then also on the bottom, you got these little flaps right here to go ahead and cover the charging port and the headphone jack. And then also you got cutouts for the S Pen, speaker, and the microphone. So I think they did a pretty good job with these. Like I said, we'll put the phone in here right now and see how accurate they are. And then in the front, you got cutouts at the top here for all your sensors and the speaker and the camera. And this is the screen protector that is built into this case. So I cannot wait to put my phone in here right now, try it out. Honestly, just looking at it, it looks like something that is going to be great for being outdoors, or maybe you work a construction job like myself. I'm always outside, I work construction, and I think this would be a great case to have on my phone at work. Now, you do have the camera cutout and fingerprint sensor cutout in the back, and there is a nice indentation here. So if you set your phone flat on the back, it's not gonna hit or scratch the camera as well, but there is no screen protector for the camera here. So it could possibly get scratched, say if you somehow get rocks or just something in your pocket ends up getting there somehow. It can happen with any type of case that doesn't have any covering right here, but overall feels very durable. So let's go ahead and put the phone in here and see how it looks. Okay, so to open up this case to put your phone in here, on the bottom here, all you got to do is pull back the rubber and then just pull up the plastic right here, and you're gonna hear where it clicks. Don't worry, you're not breaking it or anything. That's how it's supposed to work. And there we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my Galaxy Note 9. Let's throw it in there. There we are. It does feel a little loose, like it doesn't fit the most perfect, but I'm assuming once we get the screen protector on it, it might tighten up a little bit. So let's go ahead and throw this on there. All right, so there we are. I got it on. It took me a little bit. It is not the easiest to put on, but it's gonna be like that with any type of case like this. It does take a little bit to put on. You're gonna have to use a little bit of force to get it on there, but after it's all done, it does feel like it fits in there very good, nice and tight, and it does feel really durable, like it's really going to protect your phone. And also, I just noticed right now, this case actually has a kickstand on it. So you just pull it out like this and set it like that, and boom, you're ready to watch videos. So that's pretty cool. It actually comes with the kickstand, and you want to throw it back in there. Boom, there you go. Now, the one thing that I just noticed right now, if you do pull it out, it does leave the back open so you can see the phone. So you might not want to use this around sand or anything like that, because sand could get in there and possibly scratch the back of your phone. But it is pretty cool that you do have this kickstand. Just click it back like that, and then it's ready to go. You can fit it in your pocket. And then the screen protector, let's see how the screen responds when you touch it. Let me unlock the phone. There's Bixby. All right, so let me go ahead and swipe, and yeah, it actually seems to be responding very well. As you can see there, it's actually really quick. So there's no problems with using the screen protector at all. It's working great. So they've done a great job with that. The buttons, the power button's working great. Let's check out the volume rockers. Seems like the volume rockers are working well, and Bixby, of course, you guys already saw pop up. There it is. And yeah, so far I'm impressed with the build quality of this case. Can't wait to try out my drop test using it with this phone to see just how durable it is. But first, let's go ahead and try the phone in this case. All right, so here we go. I got the purple one all set up on this one. Now, obviously, it does not have the kickstand in the back, but it does feel very durable in the hands. It is a hard plastic as well in the back with hard, thick rubber around the sides here, feeling very, very durable. Then you got the screen protector on the front as well. Fits very snug in there, so it feels like it's going to protect your phone very well. And then you got the nice indentation here for the camera, which actually looks like it's cut a little bit deeper than the black one here, so it's going to give you a little bit more of a razivity here in the back for your camera. But it seems like the buttons are working well. The power button, the screen seems very responsive as well, just like the other one, so the screen protector isn't going to cause any issues at all. And then around side, let's check the volume rockers. Seem to be working just fine. And then the Bixby button, that's working good as well. So overall, both these cases feel like they're going to be very durable for your phone. But you know what time it is? It is time to test these out in a drop test. And before we do that, let me show you the cutouts on the bottom. I forgot to do that with that case, but they're pretty much all cut out the same. You got the speaker there, microphone, and they all look pretty accurate. Now the S Pen probably is going to be hard to get out. I can click it out, but in order to pull it out, you gotta kind of get your nail under there and pull the S Pen out like that. And then you're really gonna have to try to get in there and just push it back in. And there it is. But overall, still feels good. Like I said, personally, I would not pick this color for the color of phone I have. I would probably pick one of the other colors, but either way, both of these feel very durable. So let's get to that drop test. All right, so here we go, you guys. I got the purple case still on there right now. So I'm gonna drop it from about waist high, since that's where most regular drops happen, around that height. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was right on the screen. That was face down. Thank goodness we got that screen protector on there, and so far it looks pretty good. Like I said, that was face down, so I'm gonna go one more time and drop it on the side. Let's see what happens. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that didn't sound too good, but it looks like the case held up. Let me take the phone out and let's take a quick look at it. All right, so the case held up very well, protected the phone very, very good. Look at no cracks, no scratches, and I can expect the same thing for the other case, but you already know we still got to try it out, so let's go. All right, you guys, here we go. I now got the black one on here, so I'm going to do the same thing, just drop it from about waist high, and let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Let's see, I think that was just the case that kind of made it sound bad, but it looks like it's still pretty good. So I'm gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do one more, and these cases are pretty durable. I'm pretty impressed. I'm gonna drop it just from a little bit higher than waist high. So here we go. This is about chest high right here, you guys. Chest high. I'm risking it all for you guys. So here we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay. That looks like the S Pen popped out. Yes, the S Pen did pop out, but the camera is still looking good. It looks like the screen is still good, but let me go ahead and take the phone out and let's see what the phone looks like. All right, so here it is, you guys, and as you can see, no damage was done whatsoever. No cracks and no scratches. I am really impressed with how durable those cases are, but I do not feel like dropping my phone anymore. So I hope that was good enough to show you guys just how durable the cases are. Like I said, if you find yourself interested in those cases, I will put the links down in the description below. So there you have it, guys, the 2 cases by YouMaker. Like I said, there is more to choose from. If you just click the links down in the description below, you can go through the different colors and styles that they have. Like I said, if you do find yourself interested, don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Just for the drop test alone, go ahead and leave that like, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you have not already. You guys, this has been Josh Quinones, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.